What are you doing, baby?
Pulling the dishes up.
Oh, I got something for you. Come here, I want to show you what I got you. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Come on. It's a new hamster.
What?
Yeah, wait, don't look. It's sleeping right now. I gotta get him. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. Okay.
Is that hair, Daddy?
Shh, no, that's a hamster. You ready? Remember, the hamsters bite. You wanna pet him?
Did he bite you? Did he bite you?
No.
Haley, where's the hamster's eyeballs?
I don't know. Right here.
You want to feed him?
Huh?
You want to hold him?
I think that hamster's eyeballs are on Daddy's face.
Yeah.
You want to hold him? Here, you ready?
Will he bite me?
No. Wash your hands.
He's not biting me.
You want to keep him in your room tonight?
Yeah. This is not Hamster's hair.
She told you.
Will you go put it in the trash for me, baby?